Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel The Warrior Classes. Today in this session we'll solve this common algebraic problem. This problem has been asked many times in the competitive examinations as well as Olympiad examination. So here we'll have to find the value of x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6. Now here we have been given a quadratic equation. It is x square minus 3x plus 1. So from this quadratic equation, it's a quadratic equations and we can calculate the value of x plus 1 over x. Means we can find the value of x plus 1 over x from this quadratic equation, and the value of this term will be something, and from here we'll have to find what are the things we are required to know. Now we'll manipulate these two terms in the simpler form. So we can write it as in terms of x square or its cube, or we can write x cube and its square. So in both the cases we will find the value of x raised to the power 6. So x raised to the power 6 we can write x square and its cube. So we'll write first it is in the form of x square and its cube, and similarly we'll write 1 over x raised to the power 6 as x square and its cube. So it's very easy. Now we can calculate the value of this term very easily. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So we know the formula of a plus b whole cube, and its formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab multiplied by a plus b. Now we'll have to find the value of this term, means a cube plus b cube. Here it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So the value of a cube plus b cube will be a cube, and b cube value will be a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus, we'll take this term in the left hand side, so it will be minus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. So this is the value of a cube plus b cube. Now in place of x square it is a, and 1 over x square it is b. So we can write this term as x square plus 1 over x square and its whole cube minus 3x square multiplied by 1 over x square, and in the bracket we have x square plus 1 over x square. So finally we'll have to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square, means terms value of this term. Now from this quadratic equation we will calculate the value of x square plus 1 over x square. Now this equation we will write x square minus 3x plus 1, and that is equal to 0. Now both the left hand side and right hand side will divide by x. We'll divide by x. Now if we'll divide x square by x, it will be x, and here it is minus 3x divided by x is 3, and plus 1 divided by x is 1 over x, and in the right hand side, now from here x plus 1 over x, we will keep x plus 1 over x in the left hand side, and that will be 3 will take in the right hand side, so it will be plus 3. Now from here we'll calculate the value of x square plus 1 over x square, means this value. For that we'll square both the sides, so it is squaring left hand side and right hand side. Now if you look at it, is in the form of a plus b whole square, so it is a plus b and whole square, and the identity of it is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab, 2 times ab. Similarly we'll write it here, so it is x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 over x, and in the right hand side we have 3 square is 9. So now we'll simplify it. So here x and x will be cancelled, so the value of this term means x square plus 1 over x square value will be, so in the right hand side we have 9 minus 2, and the value of it will be 9 minus 2 is 7. So the value of this term means x square plus 1 over x square is 7. So in place of this value we'll write 7. So now in the final stage we'll put the value of this term, so it is 7 and its cube minus 3, and here x square and x square will be cancelled, so 3 multiplied by, and the value of this term we have calculated is 7, so it is 7. Now 7 cube is 343. 343 minus 7 3 is 21. So now 343 minus 21 is 322. So the value of this term x raised to the power 6 plus 1 over x raised to the power 6 is 322. This is answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video.